Let us continue with our lesson. So the next step would be to add a confirmation button to delete a particular task. So what we will do for that is let me go over here and I will go to the task detail fragment over here, and we need to add the dialog. So for that, I think we already have a lot of dialog created. Why not just we copy from somewhere? Okay, I think they should have. Okay, so we have a dialog. So let me just copy this two dialog from here, and I will just go and paste it somewhere below at the end. And okay, let me add this one. And the thing is that I will remove first. Okay, so let me keep that one. This is that okay for the success dialog. We will let me say that this is not the success dialog, but I will say as a delete dialog, or we can say delete confirm dialog. And then we need the particular title and the message. So what we will do is we'll go to this particular string over here and add. Okay, so let me just copy the title first, and let me go at the end. I think that should be better. Over here I will ask as a alert. Okay, delete delete uh, task title, right? So it should be of the what you want to give as a RNIG warning. And let me do the same thing for the message. Just copy and paste it over here, and alert it should be of the delete delete message. And we will say, do you are you really wanting to delete the tags? And we ask the question. Okay, so let's copy this one and paste it over here in the task detail here title. And that another one is this one, so alert delete message. Okay, so we set it that one. And now let me remove this one. We currently don't need this one. And over here, and I will add the negative, so negative button. And the negative button is source is let's say no, right? So let me give us a no. And after that, sorry, that one over here, let's create a lambda, and we will just say it dot dismiss. And when they click on OK, or we will say yes, this one. And when they click on this one, we will call this particular method. So just delete that one. So we'll have that particular over here message. And now we can call this one from the whenever user click on the delete button. So when the user click on delete button, we show the delete confirm dialog. And this delete confirm dialog will show that the two positive button and the negative, so yes and no. If click on yes, that should go and delete, and if it is no, then that should simply dismiss the particular dialog. And also, after we have successfully deleted the particular uh, the record in our local DB, we should have something to notify the user. And for that, I will create a one more boolean variable. So just copy this one and paste it over here. And I will just say as a each delete is deleted. That should be of a boolean. And this one is deleted, cause copy. And over here I will check. So I will check over here that if if result, if the result is greater than equals to 1, sorry, 1, it should be 1 at least, then I will just say that the is delete dot post value should be of a true. So this was successfully posted, and I can log this one inside over here. So that should be the one. And over here is delete is success in the else part. And in the else part, I will say that I will just copy this one and paste it over here, and we'll say the success was the false. Okay, and okay, so we can remove the lock from here, or we can say delete row was a error. Just give a simple message, and that should be okay. And so we have to observe this is delete in our view model. So sorry, in our fragment. So over here in the observer, I'll just go and observe that view model dot and is delete and observe. So let us observe and observe this view lifecycle owner, observer owner, and let us observe this one. And whenever it say, let's say if it is if it's true, then we are going to do something, and in the else part, if it was not success, then we'll go and show this some dialog over here. So over here we will say that delete was success. So we can say that just copy remove this one, clearly delete SUCCE delete success. And another one, we need to have a delete error dialog. So we will say that delete, or we can just call it as an on success. And these two I need to call from here, delete success from here, and another one I need to call this one from whenever it was false. Okay, and we also need to change this particular, so the delete success. So I can just go to this string over here, and let us copy this one and create a new string. So I'll just say delete tags, and it should be of a success title, and I'll delete tags as a success message, and we will just say that the grade, so GREAT grade. So sorry for that, the GREAT grade, and we will say that the task was deleted deleted successfully. Okay, and the same thing we will do for the error. Just copy and paste it below this one, and alert delete task error title. So error title, and this is also of the error message, error message. So we'll just copy this one and go over here in the fragment, paste it over here, and this one, the success, just copy and paste it over here. And we'll have this one for the error, copy this one and paste it over here, and the another one is this one. So just copy and paste it over here. Okay, so whenever it was success, then we give that message and we say okay, and we have to navigate. So we need to create a navigation, and we just, whenever delete was unsuccessful, then we just dismiss it. So that looks great, and we have still some more things to do, like creating a navigation to navigate back, and let's do it. Let's go to the rest over here and go to the navigation, and let's check out for the navigation that we have the task detail, and we need to create to go back to the particular home, right? So I will create a one more navigation, go back to the home, and that should be over here. So we have the destination to the nav home, and since we have created this navigation, so what we will do is we have to rebuild this one first of all. So let us rebuild the project, and the build was successful. So let's go over here to the particular over here task detail fragment, and over here when it was successful, then we have to navigate. So find the nav controller dot navigate, and navigate from the tasks detail fragment direction, right? Dot. So we want to go to the home, right? So the navigate to the home. So that should be fine. And let's run our application and test it out. So let's go to the at the end and test. Okay, test title 2. And test title 2, if you go to the PHP MyAdmin, test title 2, and that's the user ID. Okay, so it's the same user, so that should be fine to delete. So you can go to our app, and I will just go over here and just delete this one. So it will ask you whether you want to delete the particular task, yes or no. And if I say no, that should just dismiss it. And if I just say yes, that should go and delete the particular task. Okay, so we have received the grade. The task was deleted successfully, and just click on OK, and we are back to the home. So the logic that we implemented was perfectly working as expected, and so this was deleted, and now we have a record ID from the tree. And if you go to the app again, and you can see that it was deleted from your local DB2. So that's look great, and everything is looking perfect for now. So just delete, and it's look great. So anything that we come up again, so I'll be creating a new lecture on it. So let's meet up in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day.